Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. I'm uploading shorts almost every day where I break down the market with quick technical analysis of that day's chart, showing you how I read price action, identify key levels for entry and exits, and understand market moves in real time. They are short and to the point, not very detailed, but I make sure the explanation is simple enough for you to understand and learn something useful and valuable every day. If you stay consistent and watch them daily, you will start noticing patterns, improve your chart reading, and build that trader mindset over time. So don't miss out. Head over to the shorts section and stay consistent with your learnings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please be informed that I share some real and practical trading tips to help you become a better trader. So, what if I told you that in the last 5 days of trading, I had only one loss and that too a very minimal one? Sounds unrealistic, right? Or maybe too good to be true? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you every single day of my trading week along with the real trading screenshots. Okay, no hiding, no cherry picking. Also, I would like to apologize since I was not able to post any of the YouTube Shorts video for the entire week. I'm really sorry because I was stuck with my office work and it is really impractical for me to go ahead and make the videos and post it on YouTube Shorts every single day. So my apologies for the same. Okay. And more importantly, I will break down what actually made this consistency possible so you can start applying the same thing in your trading journey as well. Okay. So before we begin, let me be very clear about one thing. This is not about showing off profits. This is about discipline, consistency, and controlled execution. Okay, because the truth is, making money in trading is not hard. Keeping it consistent is the real game. Okay, so having that said, let's move to the trading screenshots. Okay, so the week was from 20th April till 24th April. Let's start with 20th April. Just a moment. All right, so here is the screenshot as you can see here. So the first trade of the day was a loss. That was a trade that I took in Nifty futures. I incurred a loss of around 56 points. Okay, the second trade was a Bank Nifty trade, and I made a profit of 271 points. Okay, and thirdly, I traded in crude oil. In total, there were two crude oil trades that were taken. In the first one, I made a profit of 55 points, and in the second one, I made a profit of 46 points. So for the entire day, the profit points in crude oil was around 101 points. Okay, that was 20th of April, guys. Okay, moving on to 21st of April. A very similar thing. I traded in crude oil, and that was the day when I did not trade it in Nifty or Bank Nifty. I believe the reason why I did not trade it in Bank Nifty was because it was a kind of flat. Let me get onto the charts and confirm why I did not trade it Bank Nifty that day. You see these moves, they're like so beautiful moves. I mean, you see this breakdown and Bank Nifty coming down. It's an awesome 200 to 300 profit points that you can capture easily. Okay, uh, well, but again, let's move on to the point. Let's move on to 21st of April. All right, yeah. So this is 21st of April, guys. So yeah, it was a kind of flat. The reason why I'm saying it's flat is because let me bring in the pencil here. Give me some time. Where is it? Okay, just a moment, guys. All right, so as you can see here, initially when the market opened, it started moving up and then it started going sideways. So there was no breakdown here, as a result of which I was not able to take any trade at this point. The same happened here as well. Okay, it gave a breakdown at this very point. Okay, but again, we had a support here and it exactly took a support and started moving up again. So if I would have traded this particular point, I don't have sufficient space for me to gain a profit of around 100 to 150 points. So it was a no trade zone. And the same thing continued almost for the entire day. It was absolutely sideways. So that was the very reason why I did not take up any Bank Nifty trades on 21st of April. Okay, so let me get back. Let me delete these and let's get back to the screenshot. Okay, so 21st of April 2026, I went for two crude oil trades. In one trade I gained a profit of 98 points, and in the second trade it was 58 points. So for the entire day it was a profit of 156 points. Okay, moving on to 22nd of March 2026. Again, it was a busy day. So I traded Bank Nifty, crude oil India, and crude oil US. So in Bank Nifty, there were two trades that were taken. The first trade made a profit of 102 points, and in the second trade, I made a profit of 147 points. So in total, for that particular day, I made a profit of around 249 points just in Bank Nifty. Okay, moving on to crude oil, two trades were taken, this one and this one. In the first trade, I made a profit of 106 points. In the second one, I made a profit of 41 points. Again, for the entire day, the profit for crude oil would be at 147 points. Okay, and in US crude, I made a profit of around 0.58 cents. Okay, again, 0.58 cents, you would be thinking that it's less than a dollar, so what is the profit that I would have made? But please be mindful that $0.58 or 0.58 cents in US crude would mean around 58,000 rupees profits if you are trading with just one lot. Okay, so your profit depends on how many lots you're trading with. Similarly, when I say that I made a profit of 249 points in Bank Nifty and 147 points in crude oil, uh, those are huge numbers. Okay, and your profit absolutely depends on the number of lots that you trade with. Okay, so be very mindful about those numbers. Okay, moving on to 23rd April. Let me bring on the screenshot here. Yeah. So Bank Nifty again, it was traded and I made a profit of 120 points. And in crude oil, I took three trades. The first trade made a profit of 57 points. The second trade made a profit of 63 points. And the third trade made a profit of 34 points. So for the entire day, for 23rd of April, I was in a profit of 154 points in crude oil alone. Okay, so that is the kind of trading that was done for that particular day. Okay, and moving on to yesterday, that was 24th of April, that was yesterday. Bank Nifty was traded twice. So in the first trade, I made a profit of 101 points, and in the second trade, I made a profit of 171 points. So in total, I was in a profit of 272 points for yesterday in Bank Nifty. Okay, and in crude oil, I made a profit of 51 profit points yesterday. Okay, so this was all about how my trades went for the entire week. Okay, and this is how the profits look like for the entire week. Okay, now let's step back and understand what really happened this week. Okay, out of 5 days, four profitable days, one small loss, and to be precise, total number of trades taken were 18, and 17 trades out of 18 trades were profitable. So you can calculate the strike rate, right? It's around 94.44%. So overall, a very consistent growth. And here we are talking about intraday trading, guys. The trading style that people consider to be very risky or loss making or kind of a bait. Okay, so on a practical perspective, it's not. Day trading is very much profitable, but you need to know the tits and bits of it. Okay, so what made this possible? The real reasons are: I didn't overtrade, I did not chase the market, I accepted the loss very quickly, I followed the same strategy, the same setup every single day, I focused on execution and not the outcome. These are some of the 5 to 6 to 7 rules that you need to follow if you want to become a profitable day trader. As simple as that. Okay, so please remember this, people. It's not about winning every trade, it's about winning over time. Okay, if you aim for perfection, you will fail. There is no such thing as perfection in the trading world. If you aim for discipline, you will grow. So it's all about technicals and anticipating the future moves. That's it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this with your trading friends, and drop a comment below if you have any queries. Let's help each other grow as traders. And of course, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel for more real and practical trading insights. Thank you for watching. Trade simple, trade smart, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.